Are you struggling with manifesting what you want in life? Well, look no further because I've got just the thing for you. I am here with this awesome video that makes manifestation easier and faster. It's all about Neville Goddard's unique approach to manifesting, which will change the way you look at things. Manifesting without resistance is the ideal state, where we smoothly bring our desires into reality by aligning our thoughts and emotions. However, manifesting with resistance is more challenging and takes patience, as conflicting beliefs and doubts can slow down the process. Neville Goddard's teachings make manifesting easier and faster. He focused on living being the future self, where our wishes are fulfilled and we are living our desired life. This approach helps bypass resistance and allows our desires to manifest more effortlessly. It's important to remember that manifestation is a personal process, so the key is to figure out what methods work best for you. When we are trying to manifest something, it can be really easy to get overly obsessed with the outcome you desire. Most of us have been there too. We start thinking about it all the time, imagining how amazing it would be if it happened. But then, when it doesn't come to fruition as quickly as you'd hoped, those doubts start creeping in, right? It's like a roller coaster of emotions, and it can be quite frustrating. To make manifesting effective and faster, Neville Goddard come up with a technique called Not Technique. And today in this video we are going to learn this technique presented by Neville Goddard, where he tells that needing nothing manifests everything. The moment we don't feel like we need anything anymore is the moment your manifestations will start to happen. Belief is the main gateway to abundance and turning desires into reality. So, if you are trying to manifest wealth and you walk around saying I am a millionaire, but you don't believe it, you are pushing the wealth away from you instead of attracting it toward you. You are manifesting a state of lack when you start manifesting without belief. The key to manifesting is how you feel. Your emotions serve as a compass that directs you by how you are feeling. When you are happy, you are not putting yourself in a position of lack. Instead, you are drawing all of your manifestations to you. However, when you are depressed, you are in a position of lack. As a result, you are pushing your manifestations away from you. So the first thing you need to do is take yourself out of the state of lack. The universe does not understand the word no. Until and unless you are in this state, no matter whether you say, I am a millionaire, or I am not a millionaire, you will attract nothing rather than lack of everything. Neville Goddard says that our subconscious mind doesn't catch negative. It only catches I am a millionaire part only, and now your subconscious mind is catching I am a millionaire without any resistance of emotions, so your manifestation will be completed smoothly and without any difficulty. You start seeing yourself leading a life of financial independence because you want to be wealthy. You honestly feel and believe that abundance is arriving into your life naturally, rather than worrying about money or having doubts about your abilities to become wealthy. You wish to draw in a devoted and suitable partner. You put your attention on experiencing love, pleasure, and appreciation, while letting go of regrets from the past and unfavorable views you may have about relationships, because you are confident that the right person is on their way to you. You desire to achieve academic success. Instead of being paralyzed by self-doubt or fear of failure, you have self-assurance as you see yourself learning new material, passing examinations, and taking pride in your academic success. Sometimes you get the things or problems you don't want in your life. It is because unknowingly you are manifesting these things in your life. Your subconscious mind ignores the no word or I don't. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between what you want and what you don't want, or what are you manifesting and what are you not manifesting. It ignores don't or not and only catches the sentence removing don't and not. For example, if you think, I don't want to lose my wallet, you end up losing it because your subconscious mind only catches, I want to lose my wallet only, and it considers it as your manifestation, and you end up losing your wallet. So avoid negative thoughts in your mind and only think positively. Stay thankful for what you have now and the amazing things that are coming your way. Gratitude lifts your spirits and attracts more positivity into your life. When we show gratitude to the universe, we live in the future. We never show gratitude in the future tense. We are thankful for what we have. And the most important thing in manifestation is to feel as if your desire has already become a reality. Don't dwell on past failures or worry about the future. When resistance creeps in, acknowledge it without judgment and let it go purposefully. Turn negative thoughts into supportive affirmations. Take action toward your goals, but don't try to control every step of the manifestation process. Trust that the universe has your back and everything will unfold at the right time. Be patient and avoid getting too attached to the outcome, believing that everything is happening for your highest good. Become conscious of any doubts, negative ideas, or limiting beliefs that may be present. Recognize when your desires are being resisted. Think about any assumptions you have about the world or yourself that could conflict with the result you want. Write them down and replace them with inspiring, uplifting ideas. Naturally, transform negative ideas that come to mind into supportive affirmations of your creations. Get rid of any regrets, failures, or disappointments from the past that may be keeping you back. Using Neville Goddard's knot method makes manifesting seem more straightforward and natural. It is simpler to keep a happy and focused mentality when you aren't fighting internal doubts. Your energy flows effortlessly and without resistance in the direction of your wishes, hastening the manifestation process. Less mental and emotional baggage makes it easier for your objectives to materialize more quickly. When we start feeling good and positive, our thoughts are promoted without opposition. Good thinking starts a self-reinforcing loop in which we draw in the good life and the positive mindset. I have learned to be mindful of the thoughts and feelings I entertain during the manifestation process. Whenever I have doubts, I acknowledge them, but then consciously let them go so they don't hold me back. Uncertainties, worries, or unfavorable ideas obstruct the manifestation process. Resistance does occur, and in fact, the defense mechanism of our brain makes it more difficult to control the negative thoughts. However, the only solution is to focus on the things and desires we want rather than what we don't want. So the best way for manifesting using this technique is to believe that I don't require anything. But that does not mean forgetting everything you desire. This does not mean not wanting anything, but to stay in the future. Show gratitude and have belief in the universe that whatever you desire is yours, and you already have it. You have what you want, so you do not require anything. Be thankful for the universe. I'm happy with what I have got. I feel what I want. I believe in what I want. And somehow that thing that desires finds me. I don't require anything to complete myself. I have everything I need. I am grateful for the life that I have. I am grateful for the universe. I am happy and content. I lack nothing in life ever. I have everything that I want. When you truly believe in these words, the law of attraction shows its magical power. And we all know we attract what we think. So think abundance. Think money. Think happiness. Think prosperity. Once you begin to believe that you don't need anything, you will begin to move out of your condition of lack and attract all wonderful things to you.